A moon smaller than our own moon is erupting lava into open space right now, and it has not stopped once in over 40 years of watching. Its name is Io, and it orbits Jupiter with more than 400 active volcanoes on its surface, more than every volcano on Earth combined, crammed onto a world barely the size of Georgia if Georgia were a planet. Io should be a dead, frozen rock. It sits nearly 400 million miles from the sun, far too cold and far too small to hold onto internal heat the way Earth does. But Jupiter's gravity, along with tugging from its neighbor moons Europa and Ganymede, squeezes Io on every single orbit, flexing its rocky interior back and forth like someone bending a wire coat hanger until it gets hot enough to melt. That flexing alone generates enough friction to keep an entire moon molten under the surface. The result is violence on a scale nothing on Earth comes close to. Plumes of sulfur and lava blast up to 250 miles high, punching straight into space above the moon's thin atmosphere. Loki Patera, Io's largest lava lake, is bigger than the state of Maryland, and its surface temperature has been measured hotter than any lava recorded on Earth, hot enough to melt steel almost on contact. If you have ever caught yourself scrolling past videos like this one, subscribe now. A new one drops every single day, and today's is just the start. Because Io's surface does not just erupt, it disappears. Scientists estimate the entire moon gets resurfaced within about 1,000,000 years, meaning every crater, every old lava flow, every scar gets buried under fresh rock before it can ever tell a story of the past. Here is where it gets stranger. Astronomers expected Io to be slowly cooling down, the same way our own moon cooled into a dead, quiet rock billions of years ago. But when NASA's Juno spacecraft flew within busting distance of Io in December 2023 and again in early 2024, its instruments picked up more heat pouring out of the moon than models predicted, not less. Something down there is not settling, it is staying wound up. Drop a comment if you want the full Juno flyby footage breakdown, because it is wilder than anything in this script. Which means the tug-of-war between Io and Jupiter may not be fading at all. If the heat is holding steady instead of dying down, this small moon could keep erupting at this pace for millions of years still to come, restlessly repaving itself over and over while everything around it in the solar system slowly goes cold and still. Hit the bell so tomorrow's one lands in your feed, because what we find next out there might make Io look calm by comparison.